Hey guys, today I'm doing an unboxing video. I actually have two things to share with you today. First, of course, my Stitch Fix box. For some reason, I'm just really excited to unbox this today. I don't know why. Maybe it's because we're getting closer to fall and I'm hoping that I have some fall essentials in here. Anyway, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a perfume unboxing, a perfume package. So I've actually worked with this perfume company in the past. These are the perfume samples that I've had from them before. I think I went through them in about like 2 months, but they come with like this sample size perfume in here, and actually I don't know if their packaging is going to be different from what I've tried from them in the past. Luxe SB is a designer perfume subscription. You can get it for $15 a month, or they have some premium plans that are a little bit more expensive and you get like exclusive perfumes. You just create an account with Luxe SB. I'll have the link in my description box for you to find. After you choose your plan, you just build your calendar of the fragrances that you want in your box that month, and if you end up not choosing a fragrance specialist will choose a perfume for you. They'll ship it out to you free, and you'll just start to receive them monthly unless you cancel the subscription. These ones were for the $15 a month, and I got like the Nativa St. Thomas, Marc Jacobs, the Daisy. I love the Daisy line from Marc Jacobs. I actually should probably just unbox this, but I really liked these and really enjoyed them, so I agreed to work with them for this video because I really love perfume, and especially with traveling, these are really great. So before I jump into unboxing both of these items, if you are a new viewer here, I share fashion and styling videos every Monday and Friday. So if you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and then hit that notification bell too if you do want to be reminded when I share with you. And then if you do enjoy this Stitch Fix unboxing and perfume unboxing, don't forget to like this video. I'm so curious what I got my Stitch Fix boxes from because I actually forgot to request something. I don't know how that happened. That never happens with me, but for some reason I'm pretty sure I forgot to request something. Let's see what we got in this perfume box. So this is just an instruction card that shows you how to open up the perfume subscription. I feel like it's very clear, and it looks like it's the same packaging as it was before. Okay, yeah, so you get 3. I did receive 3 in my last one too. So they have something new where you can actually add in a perfume. They also give you a little pouch that you can stick the perfume in your purse or your suitcase, whatever you decide to travel with, as soon as we're able to travel. How this works, you just grab the top of the perfume and you twist it, and then you can spray it. But I'm actually gonna pull it out of the bottle so I can see which perfume this is. This is Rouge. Ooh. Yeah, it definitely has a sweet, musky scent. Oh, we got another, maybe they're all gold. I do like the gold packaging. This is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. I just sprayed my clothes behind me. Ooh, I like that one. It's very light and clean, but it has a sweet scent. I don't know, so far I think I like this one. Oh, so we got a little red cap. Just twist it open. This is Juliet Has a Gun. It smells so good. It's very strong. Actually, I think Juliet Has a Gun and the Christian Siriana Oud La Rouge, those two are very sexy, and they have a little bit of a musky scent, like amber. I think will make it a nice fall scent. So these are a 0.3 fluid ounce. And that's a good amount of perfume, like that will last you. Anyway, so those are the perfumes. That's how it works. I'll have the link to this perfume subscription box down in my description box. And if you are a lover of perfumes like I am, you will love this. And I also do have a 35% off promo code for you guys if you are interested in trying it out. It'll actually allow you guys to try out the subscription for like $9, I think, instead of the $15. Yes, so you will receive 35% off your first month. This is only valid for new members, and you will only be paying the $9.75. I feel like this is a really great way to try luxury perfume too before buying the full size. Now it's time to get into my Stitch Fix box. It's very small this round, so I'm assuming we have majority clothing in this one. The first thing I see is this bright pink. So first we have this shipping label if there's anything that I want to return. And then this is pricing information and the note from our stylist, which we leave to the end. Let's see. Okay. my goodness, this is so bright. Since I said that, may as well start with the first item that I mentioned. This color, I don't think so. Okay, so the color of this reminds me of like a Barbie. I don't think this is my style. Okay, so it does have like a little keyhole in the back. I really like the design of the collar on the top. It's kind of, almost gives it like a vintage look. I would love this if this was like a neutral cream color. This is from the brand CC. It's a size medium. It's the Norwegian pleat detail textured blouse in magenta. I will try it on at the end and we will see. Actually, I might go ahead and open this up. This is a little, I'm assuming it's an accessory. It's from Jenny Bird. Oh, that's actually really cute. Depending how expensive this is, I actually might be interested in getting these because I love gold, first of all. And I don't have anything that has like that link keychain look. It just has a little card here kind of explaining what it is, and then you get a little bag. So yeah, I have a feeling this might be expensive though. Okay, a couple things that I think I'm gonna like. That is cute. This is from Madewell. It's kind of like a burnt orange, so this almost kind of gives me a little bit of like the fall. So maybe like a nice transitional piece. So there's no elastic on here. It's got little ruffles, and it looks like it has a really nice V-neck. Yeah, it almost looks like it might have some linen in this. Yes, this is 55% linen. It does appear to be a bit of a crop style too. Okay. Oh, interesting. It's like a cropped, long-sleeved sweater. Okay, so the problem that I have with activewear is that a lot of times the sleeves are too short. This one looks like it actually might be perfect. I'm excited to try this out, see how it fits, what it looks like. And last piece. Oh, that's cute. I could wear a turtleneck underneath this and make it into like a transitional piece. But it does have elastic around the waist. It has little pockets on the bum. Got the pockets in the front. This is from Bella Doll, size large, and this is the Sloan Utility Romper. So that is everything from my box. I'm gonna go try all these on, style them, see what they look like on, and see what my thoughts are after that. Mind this top, but the color is just not what I would go for. Like, I'm very adventurous with my style, but this is not like something that I would go for, I don't think. Something like this, just because of how simple the style is, like I would prefer a neutral color because then I could actually wear it with a lot of things. And I was worried at first that this fabric was going to be kind of itchy, but it's not. It does feel very nice and light. It'd be nice for the summer. I wasn't able to button this up on my own, but if this was cream with a larger lace collar or something, I think I would actually really like this. I like the idea, but not quite. Actually quite comfortable, but it sits kind of weird in this area. Like, I just feel like it's not quite the best fit. I'm definitely into this type of look, but I don't feel like it's the most flattering on me. Like, I feel like it looks kind of weird in this area. Like, it should be, this band right here should be like up on my waist or something. Like, I just feel like it fits a little bit weird, but it is really soft, and I do like the faded denim. I like the pockets in the front. I like that it's a button up and it's not snap up button. This is just an idea of what the back looks like, and like, I feel like you can see what I'm saying. Like, I feel like it just, this should be up higher. Definitely my style. style. I love the burnt orange. This is really cute to transition into the fall. You could just throw a sweater on top of it. I really, really like the buttons. I think they're really, really cute. And it's a really nice, comfortable fit. It's almost kind of like a little vest almost, but not quite. And then this is just what the back looks like. It's really simple, and I do like it. So I paired this shirt with these high-waisted black jeans because you have to wear something very high-waisted because it's very cropped. I don't even have like just a simple pair of black leggings. I do have a pair of leather leggings, but I didn't really feel like it would look right with this sweater. Just the fact that I don't really have anything to wear this with though is kind of an indication that this isn't quite my style. Like if I were to go for activewear, I don't think I see myself necessarily choosing this. Even this outfit I don't feel like looks right together. I do like that the sleeves are long enough. That doesn't happen very often. So now that I've tried everything on, I'm gonna go ahead and go through the price information and then see what the stylist has to say. Price information. The Madewell Camellia ruffle buttoned front top in soft orange, size 8. This is $62. I'm not surprised because this is from Madewell and their material is very high quality. Yeah, I really liked how this looked on me. I thought it was really cute and I really like the color, especially as we transition into the fall. I'm not going to keep it just because I don't think that I absolutely need it and I don't feel like I need to spend the money on it right now. I do recommend it. I think it's really pretty. Jenny Bird link earrings in gold. These are $52. I think that's reasonable. Still a little bit pricey. I tend not to want to spend too much money on jewelry, but I think that they are really pretty, and if you are looking for something like this, I would recommend it. I do like them. They're a little bit pricey than what I want to pay for right now, so I wouldn't get them, but I do like them. Next we have the Bella Doll Utility Romper. This material is so soft. This is $148. I just don't think that the seams are strong enough. Like when I think of a $158 priced romper or utility jumpsuit, I expect the seams to be very strong. Like they're very thick. I feel like this is way too pricey. I don't know that I would actually necessarily recommend this if it's that pricey. Like I would pay $148 for a romper, but not this one. I personally would prefer it to be like a heavier, thicker material. Like I almost prefer the stiff, heavy jeans in comparison to the light jeans. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I did like this. I just don't think that it's worth that much. So next we have the CC Sportswear Magenta top in medium. This is $58. So $58, like, I'm not surprised because I have purchased a top from them before that I loved. It had the polka dots, sheer sleeves, and it was very flattering. This top, I don't think I like the bright color. I don't know, I just don't think that I can pull off that bright pink. I just don't think it's quite my style, and it's $58. Obviously, I'm not gonna pay that if it's not my style and I don't necessarily care for the color. So if you're looking for a bright color like this, it was a nice comfortable fit, but I don't need something like this. Especially since we're getting into the fall, I'm looking for more muted, rich, deep colors and neutrals, not necessarily the bright colors. I think that kind of goes along with this as well. This is, I don't know how to say this brand, it's GAIAM. The gray sweatshirt. This is in the size medium, and this is $50. At the moment, I don't need sportswear. So I'm gonna say no to everything in this box just because I don't need it, and I'm really focusing on my fall staples right now. Unfortunately, we didn't have anything that I wanted to keep in this box, but I did like a couple things, and it was fun to try them on and style them. Stylist Pick's subtotal was $370. The buy all discount would subtract $92.50. The order subtotal would be $277.50. I don't think that this box was quite my style either, but I will be sure to let my stylist know that I didn't feel like any of these really were. Make sure that she knows which items I didn't like. And we did get Rachel again. So yeah, recently I feel like Some of these have not really been my thing. I'm really hoping that the fall trends is going to kind of turn my Stitch Fix boxes around, because I feel like they do a really good job in the fall season. This summer season, I didn't feel like I got some really good pieces, to be honest. Like, I don't feel like they were necessarily my style, and I didn't really see anything trendy for the summer season. But I know for the fall season, I got some amazing things last year. I'm hoping that it's gonna kind of turn around here and I'm gonna start getting some really fun fall pieces. But I did get to try out a variety of things that now I know aren't necessarily things that would look the best on my shape type of thing, you know? I'm gonna make sure to sit down and just figure out exactly what I'm looking for this fall. But that is everything. I did not keep anything from this box this round. Everything I'm going to be sending back. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed like all these pieces that I tried on. Anyway, I'm really excited about upcoming Stitch Fix boxes because of the fall. Let me know what you think of this box, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.